Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas. We're in Taiwan. Yeah, Taiwan. Check this out. We're at port here in Keelung, Taiwan. Alright. This is like the kids section here on the Anthem of the Seas. Of course, it's kind of closed right now because we are in port. There's the outside deck pool. Up there is a North Star. The North Star, that orb there, will take you 300 feet above sea level for great views. Yeah. You can see the deck chairs. A lot of them are stacked up here because we're in port. We're not actually cruising right now. Taking this time to show you the decks because the ship is nice and quiet. Here's another view of the North Star. It's a fun ride. All right. We're on the port side of the ship headed towards the front. On our right side, which we'll visit here in just a moment, is the indoor pool on the Anthem of the Seas. Alright, let's go in there. And this is the indoor pool. Not just a pool, but you got hot tub, a wading pool, and another hot tub over there. This is an indoor pool, but check out the ceiling. The roof actually can open up and expose this pool to the elements. But it's nice to have this option when the weather is not so nice. Alright. We'll head over to the starboard side. And here's this pool, the hot tubs. From the other side. Alright, let's head out. Alright. Head down the jogging track. They're working on something up there. Oh, there's golf balls. Another quick view of the port. Ooh, nice breeze. Take another look here in the Lido deck, the pool deck. Naturally, there's a bar over there. Big, open, inviting outdoor pool. Got the Jumbotron over there. Alright. Up here in the shady section, sometimes they'll have live bands playing or even a DJ. Nice to have shade. Here you can see the pool bar, the sky bar, and the North Star again. There's the guys up there busy working. Need some FaceTime. In case you forgot what it looked like. Up here on the right is the rock climbing wall. You could rock climb all the way up there. You can also see Gigi, the giraffe. Back here at the aft of the ship, you'll find the ripcord. We could do indoor, or in this case, on ship, skydiving. You can see more of the port. Up there, that's the indoor skydiving, what they call the ripcord. I fly. Got shuffleboard. And this is the flow rider. Obviously not operating right now because we're in port. Most guests are on land. Now, what could this be? It looks like a truck or a van busting through the glass. It's the other side of the doghouse. This is the C-Plex. Got bumper cars. They're being recharged right now. It is archery. Archery on a cruise ship. The C-Plex is a large area, open area. They can do all kinds of things. Like you saw bumper cars. They do have this in their nightclubs, dance area. They do roller skating. Of course, sports. They do basketball, they do pickleball. As you can see, they even do archery. They got this protective netting up so stray sports equipment don't come up here and interrupt like your game of like ping pong. And ping pong tables up here. And check this out. If you're into like video games, they have like its Xbox station up here. They have Xbox games. And of course, great views. Views to port. Xbox games. Another view of the doghouse.
To ensure your safety and the safety of others while on the sports court, please refrain from wearing open-toe shoes such as flip-flops, sliders, sandals, or Crocs. Going barefoot or wearing only socks is also prohibited. To participate in any of our sports activities on the sports court, you must wear athletic shoes such as runners, trainers, tennis shoes, or sneakers. Thank you for your cooperation and understanding.
Safety first. They also have these games too. Like air hockey, foosball. These fun games here. Like some video type games as well. Like racing games, gun games. So access to the suite sun deck. Doing all kind of construction up there. You can see the pools, sweet sun deck. Some North Star past the pool there. And of course, there's me, Mystery Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas. Hope you like this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.